Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 0, Zimbabwe 0. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski.
See, sorry, Ukraine.
I'm Daddy Vidier.
Yeah, right.
And the family.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you see swimming mlamayo.
Sure.
Uthanda ibhola kakhulu.
Ngiyabo?
Yeah. Ntwana yasekhaya.
Yeah.
Yeah, bathanda ibhola kakhulu.
Ngiyathola.
So ngiyakubela.
Ngiyathola mina. Bathi ubhekanyana.
Yeah, bathi ubhekanyana. Even though ke befike ngegame
better.
Yeah, better.
Yeah.
But yeah. Okay, yazi. Normally ngijwayele ukukhuluma ngebhola ne,
yes,
like izinto ezenzeka egroundini.
Sure.
Yeah, like normally indlela engisipana ngayo le, but today ngizokhuluma nga something eyenzeke ngaphandle kwe ground because iyona isithathe yazi yasibeka la, yabo?
Yeah. Bangene mina.
Okay, maybe omunye uzotshela ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma ngizogxila kakhulu eside la Tebs, but then angeke ngigxile kakhulu eside la Tebs, but ngizokhuluma ngama factors okuyiwona ahambe asikhawathe kwanye asibeka la. Alright. Sibo yazi the day iZimbabwe decide ukuletha igame la eThekwini.
Yes.
I knew we were going to play a draw.
You knew it?
Yeah.
Why?
The day we decide ukuthi ize la eThekwini. Okay, let's check any last 3 games 8, ne? I think we played a Bloom.
Sure.
I think we played a Polokwane.
Yeah.
Saphinde sadlala nase Bloom again, I think versus iLesotho, ne?
Yeah.
All right. Othi sibuyele so Sipho. Esquadini njengamanje kunabadlali abayi8 abadlala iPirates. iPirates based ku Soweto. Kube nabadlali abayi7 abadlala iSundowns. Ba based ku
Pretoria.
Kube nomdlalo oyi1 okuyiPolokwane City. Polokwane City based ku
Limpopo.
Umdlalo oyi1 odlalela I think iTS Galaxy.
Yeah.
Yabona if it's 8 plus 7 that is 15 plus iPolokwane City that is 16 plus TS Galaxy that is 17 plus the Chiefs umdu that is 18
sure mina.
All right, ama home games abo bawadlalela kuphi? Coastal kuma inlands
mina.
Lama last 3 games esiwadlalile beswadlala kuphi? Coastal or inlands? So iplan vele from the day we decide ukuletha igame la eThekwini bebefuna ukusfrustrate. All right, so umunye umuntu uzothi okay Moses Mabhida okanye iTheku lise South Africa. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, lise South Africa speak lokho, but based on ama conditions. Remember igame we winning ngokuthi ukora amagoli egroundini.
Sure.
Igame we winning ngokuthi udefend egroundini. Kunama factors outside even the dressing room.
Influencer.
Yes, is a influencer in igame.
Yeah.
You understand? So okay, yes. If isize la eMabhida it's still sasemzansi, maybe abanye abantu angeke understand lento engisho, but ngokwe language yebhola okanye ama factors ukuthi i-team si frustrate kanjani.
Sure.
Like they knew iplan yokuthi vele like bafuna ukusfrustrate, so even a draw for them bebezelela for i draw. Ubonile even sidlala like besingekho smooth ngalendlela esijwayele sinjani ukuthi sidlale ngayo, because the day iZimbabwe ihlezi idlala ama game iboleka ama ground la eMzansi ihlezi sebenzisa iOrlando. Why bengayisanga igame eOrlando? Because ibafana kugcwele abadlali bePirates. If uthatha igame uyise eOrlando like vele izona izoba frustrated. So today ba decide ukuthi asibe away so i2 as much as besisekhaya, but ngokwama conditions so i2 bese away. I understand abantu maybe ngeke understand le parts okanye ngeke understand la ma facts bazophika ngokuthini sisemzansi Moses Mabhida semzansi.
Mina ngiya understand.
Yabo? Yeah, but frustrated really because as a Sibo I even said I think 2 weeks back the day be deduct 3 points ukuthi it's so unfortunate ukuthi abantu basemzansi besupport bafana since because kunama changes akhona now enzakalayo. Yabona na today bekuyi sold out. bonke amagame esiwadlalayo like kuba ama sold out abantu bayinikela bathatha imali yabo yokugcina and then Sithibo bese sokhawathwa i-admin admin because even like there was a game ngiyakhuluma ngayo lento le kuma socials ami igame eSenegal sakhishwa yiyo lento le bavuma ukuthi ilokhuzana iFIFA sasiqale phansi igame since when mistake ka referee manje forced ukuthi siqale igame isafa instead of challenge lezo zinto bathula same thing as iGhana Ghana athola ipenalty yasikhipha lo now sesizokhishwa isafa now sokhishwa i-technical team now angisiyo umuntu onokuba emotional like especially because ngidila ne-disc ukuthi sikhuluma i-disc but iya frustrated idea
too much
angazi noma maybe akusiyo leyo party kuphela it can't be ukuthi national team inga celebrate ukuthi qualifyile for iAFCON. Remember there was a day or an era like amajita celebrate akhona ejesa qualifyile for iAFCON. Beyitshela ukuthi kusetshenziswa goal difference only to find out ukuthi kusetshenziswa yini head to head. Uyabona ukuthi Sithibo lezinto lezi ziyenzeka sikhishwa like always sikhishwa yini sikhishwa iadmin always yaskhawaza but then maybe iphathe encane going back to igame for mina I think na umadala uyilahlile kancane today
kuphi mina
because abantu sebene red card ne uyabona ukuthi umbulu uyaphusha la central like with i direct penetration introduce evidence introduce umdu so that uSipho ezoba nomuntu azolinoka naye la central ngalesikhathi belinoka you have evidence because ubonile ukuthi uFoster he tried his best unfortunately kwanga convicteka yabo so introduce evidence early have umdu ezodlala nobani noSipho la eduzane belinoke la eduzane also introduce uMbatha mangaki ama shots esiwatholile today like outside ilokhuzana ibox abhaya kubafana right now if ngingasi uTebza uSipho Mbule ubani omunye close to bona uMbatha and is a proven
long range scorer
yes he's a proven why ungamintroduce uMbatha introduce umdu introduce evidence siyekubona sengivala nje Sithibo it's so unfortunate ukuthi iphupho lethu remember i generation yethu akakayiboni bafana iqualifyela for iWorld Cup and umadala uyavaya after ubethe uyavaya after iWorld Cup so if uthi asqualify uyavaya izophinda ibuye nini lento Sithibo izophinda ibuye nini ngesizulu siye sithi ibhadi liyakwazi kubokwana yabo ukuthi ngibale izinto enganani ukuphuma kwiAFCON sitshetse siqualifyile sitshetse kusetshenziswa igoal difference kanti kusetshenziswa head to head again imistake yani leyo iadmin Senegal iGhana sekuyi situation kabani kaDebs ibhadi liyakwazi kubokwana thank you Sipho
thank you mina wavele wangiphathisa inhliziyo serious wavele kwaba